Patuloy na lumalakas ang Bagyong Leon habang tinutumbok ang Philippine Sea. Huling namataan ng Bagyong Leon 450 kilometers east ng Apari, Cagayan. May taglayan na lakas ng hangin ng 155 kilometers per hour at bugsong aabot sa 190 kilometers per hour. Nakataas pa rin ang signal number 2 sa Batanes, Cagayan kasama ang Babuyan Islands, northern at eastern portions ng Isabela, Apayao, Kalinga, northern at eastern portions ng Abra, eastern portion ng Mountain Province at Ilocos Norte. Signal number 1 naman sa rest of Isabela, Quirino, Nueva Vizcaya, rest of Mountain Province, Ifugao, Benguet, rest of Abra, Ilocos Sur, La Union, eastern portion ng Nueva Ecija, Aurora, northern portion ng Quezon, kabilang ang Polillo Islands, Camarines Norte, northern portion ng Camarines Sur, at northern at eastern portions ng Catanduanes. Base naman sa datos ng Metro Weather, makararanas ng mas malakas na pag-ulan bukas ang Cagayan, Isabela, Cordillera, Ilocos Provinces, La Union, Pangasinan, at extreme northern Luzon kasama ang Batanes at Babuyan Islands.